Find the first term of a GP whose second term is 8 and the sum to infinity is equal to 32. Now let's say a geometric progression is something like this. Until infinity. Okay. Now in this case you are given that the second term, actually second term should be AR, right? The second term is equal to 8. So AR is equal to 8 and the sum to infinity is given as what? A upon 1 minus R is equal to 32, right? You are required to find out the value of the first term. First term is what? You're required to find out the value of A, right? So A is equal to what? 8 upon R, right? If I just renegotiate this equation, now sum of infinity, which is 32, is equal to A. A I got as 8 upon R into 1 minus R, right? Or in other words, I can say 8 upon R minus R square is equal to 32. As I multiply this, what do I get? I get 32R minus 32R square minus 8 is equal to 0. If we divide both the sides by 4, we will get 4R minus 4R square minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Or just simply 4R square plus 4R minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So this again can be written as what? This can be written as minus 4R square plus 2R plus 2R minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's take 2R as common out here, minus 2R as common out here. So you get 2R minus 1 plus 1 2R minus 1 is equal to 0. Or we can say 2R minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives R is equal to 1 by 2. Right? Or this could have been written as this also, 2R minus 1 minus 2R plus 1. Right? Even if you solve this one also, minus 2R plus 1 is equal to 0. R is equal to 1 by 2. So in both the cases, the value of R is equal to 1 by 2. We need to find out the value of A, so we can just divide this by 1 upon 2, or 8 into 2, which gives us 16. Right? So by just putting these equations, we have found out the value of the first term of the geometric progression.